Implicitly enable TensorFlow v2 behavior in TensorFlow v1. As part of our migration to TensorFlow 2, I'd like to enable TensorFlow v2 behavior in TensorFlow v1, specifically TensorFlow 1.14. I'm aware that I can call tf.enable_v2_behavior to do this, but I'd like to do this implicitly, via an environment variable or similar, without having to explicitly call this function. The reason I want to do this is so that people don't forget to do this, and don't accidentally end up with v1 behavior. I can ensure that tf.enable_v2_behavior is called before any tests are run, but then the underlying behavior of our code may be different outside of the test environment. The tests may pass, but the code fails when run outside of the test environment. Any environment variable would probably work, as I can pretty much guarantee that this is set in all our Docker images, but I'm open to alternatives. I could do this on import of a specific module, but I can't guarantee that a particular module will always be imported, except for TensorFlow. The docs for enable_v2_behavior state this function is called in the main TensorFlow_init_.py file. User should not need to call it, except during complex migrations, but this doesn't appear to be true, at least in TensorFlow 1.14. This is true for TensorFlow 2.0, I guess.
That actually exists. If you set the environment variable tf2_behavior to 1, it will enable 2.x behavior. I have not found documentation about it, but you can see it in a comment in the source code. I tested it in 1.15.0 and it seems to work.